Hello and welcome to this gentle yoga practice designed to stretch out your entire body while also soothing the nervous system to relieve stress and anxiety. We'll begin in child's pose with the big toes to touch, the knees as wide apart as you would like, walking the upper body forwards and releasing down towards the mat. Allow yourself to turn inwards as you breathe slowly and smoothly in and out through the nose. Turn your head towards the right. Pick up your right hand and place the back of that hand along your lower back for an added shoulder stretch. Now switch sides. Right arm goes forwards. Left hand along your lower back as the head turns left. Bring the left arm back towards the front. Sit yourself up slowly as you close the knees and lift up towards all fours. Once you've arrived, start to circle your body around in one direction, stretching into the wrists as you come forwards, and leaning back towards the heels as you go back. Your circles might begin to become larger progressively. And then lifting back up to all fours, take a few cat-cows, arching the spine on your inhale and exhaling to round. Feeling the entire spine from the tip of your tailbone to the crown of the head, getting involved with this gentle movement. Now return to a neutral spine and start to circle the body in the opposite direction. Again, pressing into the hips, keeping the circles small as you start out, and inviting them to get larger over time. Take your final circle. Return to all fours. And then press your right leg back behind you, keeping the toes tucked as you rock gently forwards and back to get a stretch into that calf and down your right leg. Now untuck the toes, slide that foot even further back as you sit back towards your left heel, resting the upper body down for a modified pigeon pose. Shift your way back towards all fours. Before switching sides, tucking the toes of your left leg, pressing in and out of that left heel. Before flattening the top of the foot, sliding it further back, sitting towards your right heel and releasing that upper body down. Once again, make your way back to all fours. And lower yourself towards Sphinx pose, resting on your forearms, circling the shoulders back, letting the heart shine forwards. As you hold here, invite the lower body to be soft. You can always widen the legs if you feel any discomfort in your lower back. Now release your left cheek down to the mat and open your right knee out towards the side at the same height as your hip. Feeling a gentle stretch in that right inner thigh. Only if you'd like, you could bend your left leg and reach back with your right hand to catch your left foot. Intensifying your stretch. Release the foot if you had hold of it, re-extending both legs behind you as you return to Sphinx. And to your smooth, deep breaths. For the second side, place your right cheek to the mat. Slide your left knee open to the height of your hip. Holding here. If it feels good for you, you're very welcome to bend that right leg and perhaps to reach back with your left hand to catch that foot. Release the foot, re-extend the legs, coming back to a final Sphinx pose. And then press into the hands, lifting yourself back to all fours to shift the hips a few times side to side. Before spreading through the fingertips, tucking the toes and lifting the hips up and back, coming towards downward facing dog. Take any movements here, whether pedaling through the legs or shaking out through the neck, that feel good to you. When you're ready, you can bring your knees back down softly towards the mat, coming to take a seat with your legs bent out towards the side, forming a zigzag. Place your right hand down beside you and reach your left arm overhead as you trace some big circles back with that left arm. Follow the fingertips with your gaze, allowing yourself to make these circles slow and smooth. Next time your arm is overhead, hold here, perhaps releasing down onto your right elbow. inviting a stretch down the left side of the body. Release. Bring your left ear towards your left shoulder, perhaps resting the left hand on top. Allowing your right fingertips to prop you up. And release. Place the hands behind you to help with shifting the legs to the other side. Resting on your left palm and sweeping the right arm back for those slow, gentle circles as your gaze follows the movement. Once you're ready, reaching the right arm long overhead, resting down on your left palm or forearm, and breathe. Sit yourself up with the right ear towards the right shoulder, and perhaps the right hand resting on the top of the head. Feel the stretch down the left side of your neck. Gently release. Turn towards the front of your mat, planting the feet in front of you, and gently lowering down onto your back. Once you've arrived, hug your right knee in towards the chest. You can keep the left foot planted or extend that leg and point through your toes. And then replant your left foot and invite that knee in as well to trace some circles with those knees, one hand on each knee, keeping the movement smooth and gentle. Now reverse your circle, going in the opposite direction with your knees. Holding on to just your left knee, hug it in tight, replanting the right foot, or perhaps straightening through that leg. Replant the right foot, hugging that second knee in to trace a few more circles with the knees, perhaps even more slowly, more deliberately. Reverse directions. One foot at a time, return them to the mat. Bring the arms alongside the body. And then squeeze the glutes and lift them just enough to flatten the lower back to the mat. And release. Continue with this very small movement a few more times. The next time you squeeze the glutes, lift them off of the mat, lifting to half bridge, before slowly lowering all the way down, one vertebrae at a time. Take that again, lifting the hips up, pressing down into the feet, and slowly return to the mat. Final time, lifting up and lowering down. Now widen the feet towards the outer corners of the mat. Open your arms out towards the side as you windshield wiper the knees, left and right, at your own pace. Bring your knees back towards center. Take your time rolling to one side and lifting up to come to a comfortable seat. Roll the shoulders back, sitting up nice and tall. Bring your left hand to your right shoulder, giving yourself a gentle massage, moving the neck around. Might feel nice to close the eyes for a few breaths. Release that hand to find a massage on the other side with your right hand. Consciously releasing anything that you need to release. Let your right hand drop back down and take a few final rolls of those shoulders. Noticing the connection between your seat and the crown of your head. And joining me as we sweep the arms up overhead and bring the palms to touch in front of your heart. I very much hope that this practice helped you release whatever you needed to in body and mind. And I look forward to practicing with you again soon.